Today is a busy day, but it can still get a boost. It can be convenient.
Okay, Google, when's my next meeting?
Next up, you have meeting at the office today at 10 a.m.
And it can be flexible. Today can give you exactly what you need, no matter how much you are juggling. You can always use some extra fun.
Okay, Google, lights on.
Because when the work is done, you want to enjoy every minute. For when you want to give every day a boost, there's the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. Simply boost it.